Okay, good day guys. So welcome back to this channel. To those that have not subscribed, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share. So yesterday and day before yesterday, we did analysis on USDJPY and we talked about having a bearish move. It is exactly what we got. See, day before yesterday we had a bearish move. Today also we also had a bearish move, right? So for the next day, which is USDJPY, we would want to know where this price will be moving for the next day. So I believe USDJPY should also drop again. And we should actually have a bearish move on USDJPY. By the way, before we take that trade, right, we always say you would want to know the trend, and this clearly is a downtrend move. And they always say the trade with the trend. The trend should be your friend. Do not trade against the trend. So we can clearly see that this is a downtrend move. So all what we would want to do is look for a setup to go ahead, and go ahead to take the trade. So now let's start from here. This to be a lower loss, and if we should take a look at this to be a pullback, if you see this, a new loss has been made that took out the previous loss here, and then a pullback played out here. If you should see this, a new loss has been made that took out this previous loss, and then a pullback was made here. Now what we will all be expecting, right, is another loss that will be made that will take out this previous loss here. You can see this loss here that happened here. At this starting point of this pullback, we will be expecting this price to drop to make a new loss. So in the long run, USDJPY will definitely drop. So we would expect more bearish. So let's see if we will be able to take out this loss by next week. We all know tomorrow is Thursday. And let's see if Friday, I don't think there will be much movement. But if in case there will be much movement, then we should be able to tap this level. But by next week, we should be able to make a new loss on USDJPY. So more drop is to come. Now to be able to predict the price for the next day, let's see what this 4-hour time frame is saying. So we can see that this 4-hour time frame is actually dropping. So let's see if we can take out this level here, which I will be watching out for, which is a level of 129 points. Let's say 129.021. So let's watch out for that level. 129.021, because the reason why I'm watching out for this level, about first, this price is going to give us a pullback. Once it gives us a pullback, then we would actually get that drop. Now the reason why I'm watching out for this level that I just talked about, this 129 level, right, is because there will be news that will be released. So we just don't know really know it will come out. But if it does not come out well, then there might be a massive drop on this USDJPY. But one thing I know is that at least price should be able to take out this level I have called. Maybe once price can take it out, a little bit of a pullback, then a breakout should play out. So what I would want to see on USDJPY for the next day is price to actually go ahead and close bearish. It just depends on when you want to enter the trade. Maybe you want to wait for this level to be broken before you enter this trade, or you want to enter this trade right now. It's just up to you. You're the one that should decide that. But USDJPY, we should be expecting a bearish move.